Friends, welcome back to Drew Tutorial, and in this video I'm going to show you how to open up your history in Grok AI in a new tab. Now if you look at my screen here, you can see that I have some information here about what is Grok 3, right? And in order to view the history, if you click the uppermost right hand side here, you will see that I have my history. Now if I go ahead and let's say I choose to click on something else, right, you will see that if I click on, Grok AI advanced features or something, you will see that it just basically changed my what I'm viewing, right? It changes it. But if you don't want that to happen and you want to just view something else, it's better to possible open it up in a new tab. And it's very easy to do. So go back to the history again, and then when you find whatever you want to view, let's say I would like to view this option here that says FC Barcelona logo generation, right? All I have to do is just look towards the right hand side and you see it says open, you see it says new tab. So the symbol, click on the new tab and it will open that in a new tab for you. And that's all you have to do, guys.